What's happening in the markets? Are we reversing? Are we moving up? Check this out. Hi everyone, I'm still here in Qatar. We just finished our sessions here, but before I begin with this video, I'd like to invite you to our next set of events. When I land in Manila, I'll be in Cebu. Then after Cebu, first week of November, I'll be in Taiwan. Then Davao, then Dubai, then after that Singapore. We're wrapping November up with Singapore. So if you are in any of those areas, I hope to see you, I hope to meet you. And if you want to use the stock market to let you reach your goals of financial freedom, you can do it. It can be done. The stock market is not as complicated as what most people think it is. Now, let's talk about the markets. So the market is up again. It's consecutively up. We are at 2,000 levels again. Mind you, I mentioned this in the previous videos that there was a support, an optimistic support at 6,800. So we bounced off of the 6,800. Then I said that there was a resistance at 7,000 levels. We just broke past the 7,000 levels. So what's happening now? What you are seeing now is the market break out from those levels. You're seeing the 7.2 level being a breakout point for the market for the short term. What does that mean? The next target price for the PSEI is at 7,500. I repeat, the next target price for the PSEI, the next place where the market could possibly go, is at 7,500. So what does this mean? If you entered position, bought when the market was bouncing up, please mark those markers already. At 7,500, the broad market in general could have some sort of selling. The broad market in general could possibly have a level where there's more sellers that would possibly come in. Please remember this, the market just bounced. We haven't really have a good reversal yet, meaning from bearish, we're not yet bullish yet. There's still nothing compelling that would bring markets and people to invest at a much higher price. So please stick to your guns, please stick to your sell signal. So if 7.5 does not break, or if the market has a hard time breaking past 7,500, you must sell. Again, I repeat, if the market has a hard time breaking past 7,500, you must sell, and you come back to fight another day. You come back to fight later on. This is a good profit already for you because the market could still start to retrace. If it bounces off 7,500, I'll update you. I'll give you another snippet of where it could possibly go. And if you've noticed it also, a lot of the big cap stocks that heavily influence the index, from GT Capital to the banking stocks to Ayala Land to SM Prime Holdings, have started to move up as well. Hence, the index has started to go up in line with that. So that's how you play it, that's how you move it. We are not yet bearish, we are not yet bullish, we haven't really reversed yet, but play it as it is. Look at the 7,500 level as an area for you. If it break past that, there's a possibility that we could go much higher, and I'll update you after that as well. But not if it doesn't, sell. Another thing that you should I guess put your analysis on is this. At where we are right now, the volume from 6.8 to 7,000 to where we are now isn't as high yet, it isn't as compelling yet. And please remember this, for every movement, volume must be there, volume must be present, volume must be in everything that is significant in technical analysis. Volume precedes price. So the lack of volume also, 4 billion value turnover is not something that's very impressive. You want something that's very impressive as well. So what does that mean? Not everyone yet is convinced about this movement. We're just probably cheap, but we're not yet there where everyone is thinking that, hey, it's time to come in, it's time to start to position and start to buy the markets higher. Again, there's no catalyst yet for the market. There's nothing pushing people, that causing them to buy at a higher price. Because at the end of the day, we're just cheaper, not yet super cheap. We're just cheaper, but we're not yet at the point where everyone wants to buy us because there's good economic data or good earnings. So let's see how the next GDP results will come in over the next few months. Let's see how inflation data would come out over the next few months. And above and beyond that, let's see how corporate earnings, if it's good, but not just good, but higher than expected, there might be a shot, there might be a chance, there might be a semblance that it could push people to buy higher. But if not, you might expect the market to just consolidate from 7.5 to 7,000 levels, or 7.5 to 6,800 levels. What does that mean? You can make money off of it. Please remember this. It doesn't mean that the market is bearish. You cannot trade the ranges. You can trade the ranges and you can still make money, because money in the market can be made wherever you are, as long as what? You have a plan, you have a strategy, and you know what to do, and you don't panic. When you panic, you lose. When you use your emotions, you lose. Use technicals to make you live life at your own terms. Use the technical analysis to make you win and crush it in the market. So this is Marvin Germo. This is our PSEI update. I hope to give you more over the next few days as well, and I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. This is Marvin Germo from Doha, Qatar. See you all again soon. Bye-bye.